Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up with Michelle Renee, the mom who survived a terrifying home invasion and kidnapping, and whose story has become both frightening and inspiring. So, where is Michelle Renee now? Let's break it all down. Michelle Renee gained attention after a violent home invasion in 2000. She and her young daughter were taken hostage in her home by masked assailants. They were forced to rob the bank where she worked, under threats involving fake explosives. It was a nightmare of survival and trauma that spanned months of trials, public scrutiny, and a fight to reclaim life. After the ordeal, Michelle stepped away from her bank career and focused on healing. She moved to Alaska for a while, pursued education in media and communications, and later founded a small production divided by creative agency. She's also become an author. Her story, Held Hostage, was made into a movie, and her memoir, 9 Days, was published. She's been a speaker, activist, and voice for those overcoming violent trauma. Where is Michelle Renee now? As of now, Michelle Renee is living in Southern California with her daughter Bria. She has a boutique media, divided by podcast, divided by video agency, called Verb Media Group. She's also running a podcast divided by community project called Soul Wide Open, focused on trauma recovery and resilience. She's using her experience to help others, speaking publicly, healing deeply, and choosing purpose in what she survived. Michelle's journey is a powerful story of turning horror into art, pain into purpose, and fear into activism. She's not just surviving, she's leading, healing, and helping others do the same. What do you think is most inspiring about her path? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this video resonated, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Where Are They Now stories that bring hope and realism. Until next time, stay strong and take care.